Tesla's upheaval of the automobile sector. The competition for the future of transportation is intensifying as electric thunderbolts upend the status quo and conventional giants race to keep up. While automakers are releasing their finest models onto the market, Tesla is the one firm that stands out. It's going to blow up in the AI sector. I would want to discuss X. Though I don't want to discuss X at this time, I believe the company has a strong opportunity. I believe that SpaceX and Tesla are the more intriguing projects at the moment, but we'll see how difficult it is to accomplish. When I was investing between 2014 and 2015, Tesla was in a similar stage. They used to produce 40,000 automobiles annually. Today, they produce 1.8 million, with plans to produce 20 million. Above all, the margin reduction is not shocking. It remains higher than the OEMs in the market, which is a good thing. The UAW strikes are ongoing, and Tesla is attempting to increase volume. Elon Musk has stated that a cheaper automobile and higher borrowing rates will hurt consumers. Because borrowing rates are so high right now, it is impossible to purchase a car. He stated that 1.8 million automobiles will be sold this year, but he also acknowledged that perhaps sales won't be as strong. Tesla bull Ron Barron recently disclosed that Tesla is just one step away from bankrupting the entire U.S. auto industry, which is a startling admission that has the potential to completely change the automotive landscape. The shocking revelation from the American fund manager and Tesla investor is that Tesla is going to fundamentally alter the U.S. auto sector, and this will be enormous. But is Ron Barron possibly correct? What does Tesla's future hold? We'll provide you with all the information, so keep watching. You're going to be enthused about it when you see it because it will be a traveling billboard. Even though you're not planning to purchase a pickup truck, you'll visit the Tesla website and find something quite impressive. What's that? The buzz that will be on social media when that Cybertruck starts traveling throughout America is unimaginable. That will have a halo effect that will spark the entire franchise. First, they spoke nothing about it, but another OEM will have an FSD licensing agreement. Most likely, it will be a Toyota or a Honda, which will delight everyone greatly. Other FSD licensing agreements will exist. 2. The auto industry has 16% margins, while the energy sector, which has historically had relatively low margins, now has the highest at 24%. People don't seem to care that that sector tripled in the third quarter compared to the same time last year. Thus, I believe there will be many catalysts in the future. On January 1, the $7,500 IRA credit will no longer be available for use. Although volumes have been declining, they will only have 18% of their total volume in the fourth quarter if they reach 1.8 million for the year. American fund manager and Tesla shareholder Ron Barron has experience with the company's stock. He makes another intriguing prediction today that reinforces Tesla's distinctiveness as a business and provides investors new hope. In an interview, Barron disclosed that since he initially purchased Tesla stock at $40 per share, his company has generated around 20 times the returns on his $380 million investment in the company, turning it into a roughly $6 billion profit. Since 2014, Barron Capital Management has invested in Tesla, and Barron has maintained a long-term bullish view on the company. The combined value of Barron's assets and those of his clients in Tesla is close to $4 billion. Barron has long been one of Tesla's biggest investors, and he has no intentions to stop. He revealed on CNBC that he intends to hold Tesla's shares for at least 8 more years, and that he thinks the company's skyrocketing stock still has a lot more upside. Barron is a major Tesla fan, and it's obvious that he isn't prepared to sell his stake. For a variety of reasons, Barron claims that Tesla is on the verge of bankrupting the U.S. auto industry. First, in terms of innovation, technology, brand value, and consumer loyalty, it leads rival automakers by a wide margin. The Cybertruck, Model Y, and full self-driving software are just a few of the innovative items that Tesla is continuously creating to cater to the rapidly expanding market of electric vehicle purchasers. Customers of Tesla are enthusiastic and devoted to the brand, frequently serving as ambassadors and evangelists for it. The company enjoys a strong sense of identity. Due to these advantages, Tesla is able to innovate at a faster rate and with higher quality than its competitors. According to recent reports, starting in 2025, Toyota and its luxury brand Lexus will begin to integrate Tesla's award-winning charging plug into their base models. Other manufacturers. Supercharging is a network of easy and quick car charging locations that Tesla has established around the United States and the rest of the world. While some superchargers take hours to fully charge a Tesla, these can do so in only a few minutes. A sense of exclusivity and camaraderie is fostered among Tesla owners via the supercharger network, which they may access for little or no cost. Additionally, Tesla has expanded into other industries, generating fresh income sources to supplement its primary automobile industry. It has entered the energy market and is now selling items like as the Powerwall, Power Pack, and Solar Roof. Additionally, it intends to introduce brand new services like the Tesla Network, which will let users share or utilize their cars as self-driving taxis. These companies add value to Tesla's offering and foster partnerships with its automotive division. Regarding his price estimate for Tesla, Ron Barron has previously stated that he believes the company's stock will be valued between $500 and $600 per share in 2025, and that it may be worth as much as $4.5 trillion in 8 to 10 years. Based on Tesla's annual car output, Barron's price objective is predicated on the company's potential to grow rapidly over the next 10 years and eventually sell roughly 20 million vehicles annually. In a prior interview, Barron gave investors advice to ignore short-term roadblocks, such as the company's underwhelming deliveries or earnings, and instead concentrate on the long term, which is a future in which Tesla surpasses all other automakers and grows every quarter. Tesla is predicted to produce 1 million vehicles annually in 4 years, and up to 5 million vehicles annually in 10 years. Barron's forecast is especially intriguing since it only considers Tesla's EV sales income, ignoring other projects the firm is working on, such robots, driverless cars, and batteries. When all of these other companies are taken into account, just think of how much money Tesla might make. Elon Musk once predicted that robots from Tesla will surpass the company's vehicles in size. It's difficult to keep up with everything going on at Tesla, but long-term investors like Barron are undoubtedly keeping an eye on things. Ron Barron is still a devoted supporter of Tesla and thinks the company has had a revolutionary effect on the sector. Other automakers have been compelled to invest in electric vehicles and greener technology as a result of Tesla's considerable role as an industry catalyst for innovation. It paved the way for environmentally friendly transportation, and it won't be long before Tesla transforms the automotive industry. How do you feel? Tell us in the comments below. Click on the next video that appears on your screen to find out more about Tesla's recent activities. I'll see you over there. Regarding Tesla's future, investors essentially have nothing to worry about because the company has a very great tale to tell. However, what are your thoughts? Does Tesla have a bright future ahead of it? Tell us in the comments section below. Go to the next video on your screen for more thrilling Tesla news. I'll see you over there.